Hey everyone, do you also find it annoying to type on such a tiny keyboard on your phone? Sometimes when you're texting, you mean to hit one key, but end up pressing two or three by mistake. And my fingers aren't even that big. So in today's video, I'll show you how to make your keyboard and keys bigger so typing feels much more comfortable. Welcome back to my channel. Let's jump right in. For example, let's go to the settings. Then tap on the search bar, and now we see our keyboard. Then tap on this icon. Now scroll down a bit and select Resize. Drag the slider up to make your keyboard larger, and then tap Done. Nice! The keyboard is now bigger. But we can make it even better by increasing the key size for easier typing. For this, tap on this icon. Go to Preferences and scroll down to find font size. Tap it, then drag the slider to the right to make the keys bigger. Now go back and open your keyboard again. You'll see it's much easier to use and no more pressing the wrong keys. And that's it. Super simple, right? If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss my next helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.